Mike from Sugarland has a question about a water heater.
Yeah, well, he's thinking about moving his, Tom. Mike writes, I have a 10-year-old home, and soon it will be time to change water heaters. They're in the attic right now, and he wants to know, can they be moved into the garage? Would that be costly? And Tommy also wonders about switching from a tank to a tankless.
I think everything you do is going to be costly. Moving all those pipes and stuff into the garage is going to cost some money. And going to a tankless will even cost more because they're more expensive. So if you're worried about money, leave them where they are. If you don't mind spending money, find out from your plumber what it'll cost. And if you feel better doing that, then do it. But it's not going to be as cheap as you think.
What is the added expense with the tankless? I mean, it sounds like you get a tankless and it's going to be the last water heater you buy.
Well, if it's going to be a tankless, it's going to need gas.
Right.
And it won't be the last one you buy. They wear out too.
Isn't there gas already there for his water heater?
In the garage?
No, I'm saying if he were to put it in the attic where his water heater is.
Yeah, but is the gas line big enough? That's always the big question. Right. And if you're going to move it all to the garage, you have to move water lines, you need to move gas lines. You still have to have a little electrical hookup too. So it's going to be a big project. The best thing you can do money-wise is just replace what you have with the same thing. That's just the bottom line, because then you just hook up the pipes and boom, you're done.
Yeah, I guess you got to look at the ROI. How long is it going to take to get that money back?
Yeah, and it might not matter.
Tankless?
Some people don't care. So if you don't care, do it. If it makes you feel better, sometimes people spend money on things to make them feel better, and they don't get anything back on it. So I don't think you're going to save anything or get anything back ever. I don't think you could ever get anything back because it would just take, like you say, too long, and who knows how long you're even going to be in the house. So there's a lot of variables in there.
If you're looking for a way to feel better about spending your money, we'll put our address up on the screen.
Yeah, Soupy Sales.
No, all right. You got a question, we'd be happy to help you out like that for free. You don't have to spend any money. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. And subscribe to our channel and click the bell, and you'll know when we post a new one.